intros are the most crucial part of your videos. You only have 5 seconds to make the viewer decide if they want to watch the video till the end. If your intro sucks, then most people will click off and you lose the chance forever to show them your video. This is the difference between, "Meh, this is not what I was looking for, I'm clicking off," not even getting a chance to watch, versus making them hooked, curious, and engaged. Make them watch till the very end, making your video high retention, loads of views, and the sweet YouTube revenue. So in this video, we will teach you in 7 steps how to make the best intros on YouTube that go viral. Number 1, deliver on the thumbnail. Understand that you already set the expectations. They saw the thumbnail, they read the title, and then they clicked. They are expecting to experience the topic, style, and visuals. Your job is to deliver the content that you promised from the title and thumbnail. Make your first sentence match the title, and make your first shot match your thumbnail. Your first couple of seconds should be reassuring the viewers that they clicked the right video and it is not just clickbait. If you do that, you're at a great start. This leads us to step number 2, which is to make it engaging. Your entire video doesn't have to have all the zooms, whooshes, transitions, animations, and pictures flying everywhere. For example, Mr. Beast starts with a boom effect in every video, and all of the documentary channels started to do it as well. The powerful sound effect just brings your attention immediately, but your whole intro should be as much engaging as possible. Put some creativity and have fun. To stimulate your audience, you can add some PNGs, sound effects, music, transitions, captions, graphics, visual, audio, cuts every 1 to 1.5 seconds, and just be creative. It doesn't mean you gotta throw everything at them at super fast speed. Spend double or even triple the time on your intro. Ask a friend to watch and critique, make it flow. Make it the best part of your video, and remember, you don't wanna do this.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe.
Wrong. You did not put that. The time for this is later. They're deciding whether to watch it or not, so putting this crap is making your viewer irritated, making them click off. You also don't want to do a channel intro like this. First of all, big creators have them because people will watch whatever they put on. 2. Some of the semi-professional people have their fancy intros like this for 20 seconds. Don't use that. It is wasting the viewer's time because they don't care. They'll be irritated with the first couple of seconds of waiting. Now for the most important part, number 4, make a hook. You have to understand that if you don't have a story, but just information, they will not be willing to stick along. So set the stakes. The easiest way to do it is to set a challenge, make a bet with someone, or make them relate to a character presented. This opens some questions in the viewer's head. Will he win? Will he lose? Will he achieve the goal? This is exciting because people will be waiting to know what's the story. Also, you can tell them there are 26 chapters to the story and then reveal each chapter by 1, 2, 3, etc. Share a 3-step formula. Each step is followed by another to make it a whole blueprint. Tell them they will see a big picture and they will have to continue watching to know it all. Ask questions to withhold the answer. Making them wonder will make them watch till the end. And to multiply the effect, you want to make it big. Put the feeling that something big is about to happen. Make it the best thing they have ever seen. If you will make it sound like a world record, then you are at a right track. The best, the biggest, the funniest, the scariest. This is your goal. We want to experience something bigger than our lives and give it to our viewers, but make them understand it right. Number 6, context and setup. If it is needed, explain the context. Tell them what will happen, how it will happen, and why. Tell them why they should care. Tell them who the main character is and what he did. What is the goal you want to achieve and what will happen if you won't. Set limitations like time limit and money limit. If you'd say, for example, I traveled this far because I spent 2 months doing this. I invested 20 grand to make it happen. This will change your life. Viewers will think, wow, this guy put the effort into this. In his mind, it will be more valuable. But also, while explaining, you want to put some action. Do you know what the most important rule of writing is? Show, don't tell. Don't describe it forever, just go for action now. Just start quick, show them the best bits as soon as possible. See Mr. Beast's video? In the first 5 seconds, you have some excitement, action, stakes, challenges, and characters. It is well explained while showing you the action. He does not wait 1 minute to show you what will happen. You will see it immediately. And what Mr. Beast does perfectly as well is exceed expectations. You delivered on the thumbnail and title. Now it is time to show them a bit more. Make them say wow. If you can do this, then you will win their heart. You want to build up emotion, so if you don't know how to create emotion, don't make the video. So how do you make the video so emotionally engaging? To do this, you will have to learn viral script writing techniques. So click here to learn how to write the best scripts for viral YouTube videos.